Come with me on a tour to the cheapest smart apartment in Lekki, Lagos. Welcome to Abijo GRA. This apartment is located within Chois Garden Estate in Abijo GRA, Lekki, Lagos. Welcome. This is just 5 minutes drive from the popular Novera Mall ShopRite in Shangutedo. Alright, so come with me on this tour as I'll be showing you around the latest update and what is going on site and why you need to key in right now.
Welcome to this tour of the Avocado Luxury and Smart Apartment located in Abijo GRA Lekki. Alright, it's not a secret anymore that real estate investing can provide some of the most lucrative and stable returns. I believe investing in apartments is one of the most promising options for investors of today. All right, so the need for affordable housing option is an ever-increasing demand in Lekki, Lagos, and a lot of investors have been looking for ways whereby they can invest and make cash flows, capital return on investment. All right, people need a roof over their head, and apartments are the top choice of many investors. Also, home seekers, apartment is the top choice. It's very good for singles, it's good for working class, it's good for married, newly married couples, students, young professionals, and the low income workforce. All right, so apartment is a good deal for investors and also home. Now, with such a vast target market, you will agree with me, apartment investing tends to be less risky than variety of other asset classes you have in real estate. All right, and the beautiful thing about investing in apartment is capital gain. Especially when you buy an off plan, it gives you much more capital gain. All right, apartment will give you capital gain. You can buy cheaper at construction, and while the project is completed, you sell at a higher price. That is capital gain, capital profit. All right, you can also buy for cash flow. You can buy an apartment. When the project is delivered to you, you start generating rental income, which can be transferred to generations, your children, and they keep making money forever. And that is why I'm taking you on a tour to the Avocado Luxury and Smart Apartment, and I'm showing you updates, especially if you have also invested in this project. I'll be showing you updates, how far the work has gone on site. All right, so ensure you watch this video today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do so right now, and ensure you turn on the post notification so that you be among the first top individual that be getting information anytime I post information that can bring wealth into your bank account. My name is Remains Engineer Factory, that top rater that always bring you juicy deals that bring money into your bank account. So follow me, keep watching, don't stop. Wow, welcome to my channel. I'm about to take you on a tour to the Avocado Luxury and Smart Home. So welcome to this tour. It is no more a secret that real estate investing can provide some of the most lucrative and stable returns in real estate investment. I believe investing in apartment is one of those promising options for investors all over the world. And today I'll be taking you on a tour again, especially if you are coming across this project for the very first time, and if you have not yet invested in apartment in the Avocado, please stay tuned. Ensure you watch the video today. And what is the need for affordable housing right now? The need for affordable housing option is an ever-increasing demand in Lekki, Lagos. In fact, the whole of Lagos, they need affordable housing option, and investing in apartment is one of the great options when you are thinking about affordable housing option. So now, why did I say that? People need a roof over their heads, and apartments are the top choice of many, including the investors, also the people that are renting the house. Students will love to get an apartment. Of course, singles will love to rent an apartment. Married couples will love to rent an apartment, newly married couples, young professionals, and also low income earners. They are your target market as an investor. All right. So now, with such a vast target market, apartments investing tends to be less risky than variety of other asset choices and classes. All right, that's to tell you, if you invest in an apartment, you can guarantee that you're gonna make money. It's less risky, especially when you buy an off-plan like the Avocado Luxury and Smart apartment located in Abijo GRA Lekki in the Abijo Lekki local government area of Lagos. When you invest in an off-plan property like this, you are guaranteed of capital gain, especially when you invest when the project is just newly brought to town. This is a new project in Abijo GRA Lekki, and this project promises to give you return on investment, high return on investment, 50% return on investment within the next 12 months. You're going to get 50% return on investment. Right now, the property is still new and fresh, and that is why, as a smart investor, it's good to come in earlier. You buy cheaper at construction and you sell higher after construction, which is capital profit, capital gain for you. Another reason why you need to buy for money making. You can buy for cash flow. You buy after construction, you rent it out, you keep generating rental income year in, year out. You can use it for Airbnb or short let, or keep generating annual rentals, and it will be transferred to your children's children. It becomes generational wealth. So that's one of the reasons why you need to invest. So follow me as I'll be taking you on a tour so that you can see the level of work on site at the Avocado Luxury and Smart apartment, Abijo GRA Lekki, Lagos. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly do so right now. Welcome to the Avocado Luxury and Smart apartment in Abijo GRA Lekki, Lagos. Are you looking for an apartment to invest on as an investor, or are you looking for a place whereby your family can live in without any wahala or any noise? I mean, a serene environment. Then this is a top choice for you as a family or as an investor. Congratulations to every investor that have invested in the 1-bedroom apartment or the 2-bedroom apartment or the 3-bedroom apartment. Congratulations to you, because your money is already working for you. You can see work is in progress. The last time I showed updates on this project, it was when it was on the ground floor just a few months ago. But right now you can see you're already going to the top floor of this project. So come with me as I'll be showing you around just to see how far we have gone on site. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Ensure you subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And if you have not subscribed to this project, what are you still waiting for? Trust me, whatever you do, you can reach out to me through the number on your screen. All right, thank you. Ensure you keep watching as I'll be taking you around. Along with me as I've been doing the update on site at the moment. So you can see what is going on right now. In some block, we are already on the third floor of this project. Believe it, this project will be delivered within the next 12 months. This whole project is going to be mini apartment. We have limited units of this apartment. We have limited units. It's not going to be like all these big apartments, just a mini apartment, mini estate. All right, so follow me, come along with me. If you have invested already in this project, you can see that work keeps going on site. Nobody is stopping work at the moment. Work keeps going on. And why should you invest right now if you have not invested in this estate? Number one, you can monitor the process. It's an off-plan project. You can monitor the progress of this site. You can study the kind of materials they are using on site. That's one of the reasons you go for an off-plan project. Number two, you can deposit a minimum of 3 million naira and do a flexible payment plan. You spread it up to 24 months. All you need to do is just initial deposit of 3 million naira while you spread your balance for the next 24 months. Another reason why you need to invest in this estate is that this property comes with a certificate of occupancy. That is to tell you when you invest here, you can go and rest, and rest assured your property is safe, your money is safe, and your investment is safe here in the Avocado Luxury and Smart Apartment Abijo GRA Lekki, Lagos. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Let me do a recap of the price. The one-bedroom apartment goes for 31 million naira at the moment. That's the market value. The two-bedroom apartment goes for 41 million naira. The market value is 41 million naira at the moment, while the three-bedroom apartment goes for 46 million naira. Market value at the moment. So what are you waiting for? All you need to do is 3 million naira initial deposit while you spread your balance up to 24 months. If you are paying within 6 months, it's recognized as outright sale. Outright. You are not going to pay any extra fee. But if you are paying for 24 months, of course, there will be an extra interest. So whatever you do, all you need to do right now is to reach out to me on the number on your screen if you have not yet subscribed to this project. And you can still buy more. If you have bought already, you can decide to buy more. Alright, it's a lot of money. Imagine if you buy like 5 units of one-bedroom apartment here at 31 million naira. In the next 6 months, I can assure you this property will have appreciated up to like 40 million. And you knew that we have bought 5, that's 9 times 5. 9 million naira transfer, that's 45 million naira capital gain. Can you see that? That's how people are making money in this industry. So what are you waiting for? If you're a smart investor, if you are looking for an apartment that will give you capital gain, maximum profit, high return on investment, then reach out to me right now so that I can help you secure one or more units of this apartment. Also, if you are looking for a place for cash flow, you can also invest in the Avocado Luxury and Smart Apartment Abijo GRA Lekki. Whatever you do, ensure you reach out to me, or if you have any other property you would like to discuss, you reach out to Chois on 006263219. Thank you for watching my video up to this moment. I deeply appreciate. Thank you for referring people to me from January to December. Thank you for choosing me as a realtor. Thank you for working with me, and thank you for always referring your friends and family. You know I've never disappointed them, and believe me, I will pursue your allocation to the land to ensure that what you have invested in will deliver to you. You get value for your money. That's the essence of buying through a top rater like Engineer Olatokunbo Factory. Thank you for watching my video up to the moment. The next time I come your way, stay healthy, keep making money, and enjoy your Christmas ahead. Bye.